A couple of days ago, I was talking to my cousin about self-quarantine and working remotely. She urged me to share my experiences since so many people are starting to work from home this month. I never really thought I could be of use talking about this, but working from home is a new experience for a lot of people right now. So this video is going to be a few tips on how to effectively and efficiently start working from home. Hi, my name is Sierra and I am the owner of Sierra Rose Design, a branding and campaign company helping businesses bring their vision to life through design. When I first started my graphic design business 7 years ago, I was still suffering from my old college work schedule. A sporadically arranged time frame with no order or consistency. Sometimes I worked from 10 to 4, sometimes from 6 in the evening to late at night. It wasn't until I put myself on a strict 9 to 5 Monday through Friday schedule that my productivity went up. It can be tempting to hit the snooze button when you are the only one accountable. But make a point to stick to your work schedule. Act like you are still going to the office every day, even if you are at home. Take your breaks and lunch at the same time. Keep your body and mind on a schedule, even if you don't have work to do. Use that time to learn new skills, get organized, or work on goals you haven't had time for until now. When you work from home, it is very tempting to lay on the couch with your laptop trying to get work done. Although this is fun to do sometimes, having a dedicated work area away from your relaxing area can keep you motivated and productive. One thing to look for when you are at home is to find out what your productive weaknesses are. What zaps your motivation? Is it being on your phone, watching TV, going on social media, or crawling back into bed? Know your weaknesses and how to avoid them. A tip I learned from a freelance writer whose weakness was taking frequent naps tries to make his bed as unappealing to get into as possible. What he would do is pile on top of his bed laundry, chairs, and tedious items that would take him precious time to move for his nap. If your weakness is social media, delete or hide the apps from your phone. If it is TV, unplug it till the evening. Find out what your productive weaknesses are. Creating a daily and weekly to-do list can also help you stay motivated and on task. When you work from home, you are responsible for the things you need to get done. If you typically work in an office, write down your daily tasks and see if you are able to accomplish them while working from home, and make adjustments if you need to. When you start working from home, it can be hard to differentiate your work life from your home life. Set boundaries for work and home. Just because you are connected and can work at any time doesn't mean you need to work 24/7. Know when work stops and personal life begins. Those were 5 tips for working from home, but here are a few more quick tips to help you stay productive while at home. Listen to music or TV for background noise. Don't watch a new suspenseful plot twist episode of your favorite show. Instead, find a show or music you don't have to pay attention to. Use a timer to help keep track of your breaks, lunch times, and work hours. Also, try to avoid chores or give yourself a 5 to 10 minute break just for household chores if you need to. Wear shoes. Your body is used to a certain way of doing things. If you are having trouble staying focused, try to wear your work shoes or work clothes to get yourself back into the zone. Stay connected to people and keep in touch with your work colleagues. And lastly, give yourself time to adjust to your new routine and environment. It will take time to acclimate to your new working conditions. Working from home can be fun and exciting, but it does have its own set of distractions and weaknesses. It takes a lot of self-discipline and motivation, but it can also be a great way for you to connect with yourself and your work.